Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short tutorial I will teach you how to solve health app not tracking steps on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. Launch settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings page, go ahead and tap on privacy and security. Next, swipe down to find motion and fitness and tap on it. Here, make sure that fitness and tracking is enabled. If not, enable it. After that, enable health app. Apps that you have requested access to your motion and fitness activity will appear here. That's all. Like and share this video before you go. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.